Hello everyone. In this lecture, we will be learning that how we can create custom TCP scan commands by setting up various combination of the flags inside the header of a TCP packet. Before moving further, let me show you that what are the options we got inside flag. So these are the options for the flags. We can try combination and set inside header of a TCP packet. The first one is sync for the synchronize, acknowledgement, finished, reset, urgent, push. Now we can try any combination of these flags and we can set the header with that combination and we can create our custom TCP scan command. Now let me show you the command using which we can do this. Open the terminal and type nmap space 2 times minus sign and type in small letters scan flags. Give a space and let me try out some combination here that is for urgent and push. So I'm using here two flags. Okay, we don't have to give any space between the flag combination. After you finish out with the creating the combination, give a space and type the target IP, that is 192.168.0.105, and let's look out the results we are getting. So you can see we got these results here. Let us try some another combination like I'm using uh, sync. Okay, I'm using sync and reset. Okay, let me hit the enter and see what we are getting. It's taking time. Okay, so we have got some different results. It haven't shown us the ports and all, so we are getting a quite good result in the previous combination. Let me show you another combination, like if we can try the combination of 3. Let me clear this out and again we will type nmap space 2 time minus scan flags space. I will be using sync, urgent, and the pin. Okay, so I'm trying out here 3 flags. Okay, so you don't remember that you don't have to give a space when you are writing the combination of the flags. When you are finalized with the combination, just give out a space and the target IP and let me hit the enter. You can see it has shown us the ports, but we are not getting the status of the ports that are filtered or not. So in this way we can try different combination and create our custom TCP scans commands and look for the different results which will be generating by the Nmap.